Hey guys, today we are unboxing this Campfire BBQ Plate from 4-Wheel Drive Supercenter. This was a freebie that I got with the 20 litre fridge. That's the one thing that I do like about 4-Wheel Drive Supercenter is you get sometimes you get some alright stuff with the freebies that they have. This is something that I might actually use, so yeah, that's one thing I like about them. Alright, let's get into unboxing it. Okay, so this actually feels quite solid. Steel, obviously. So, I mean, you know, not really too much to say about this. You put it over a fire and you cook on it. This is something that I definitely will be using next time we go on a camping trip. You know, I'll test it out. Maybe chuck a steak on here, some bacon on here or something, whatever. Steak on here, whatever on here, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, I like how it's got the legs. Might even be able to use it on the barbecue that we use as well. Just chuck it over the top. See how that goes. I'd say it would work. But yeah, fairly good freebie. I mean, I think these are only like $40 to buy, so you know they're cheap, but you know you get it for free. You use it a few times and then you throw it away, whatever, if you don't like it. If you like it, obviously keep it, but it's one thing that I do like about 4-Wheel Drive Supercenter is you get free stuff occasionally, and occasionally you get stuff that you actually will use. We'll see how long this actually lasts. You know, it being steel, it's gonna rust, so you know you don't want to cook on rust, but you know, time will tell. So you know, I thought I'd make a little short and sweet video for you guys. Not really much to say about it, but you know, I'll do a review in the future maybe and let you guys know if it's any good. So alright, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.